Good morning, on and all present here. I am Nandhini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, I am going to see a topic on IoT enabling technology. In last class, we have seen what is a wireless sensor network. Now, we are continuing it with the second topic of cloud computing. What is known as an cloud computing? Because cloud computing refers to both the application which is used to serve over the internet and the hardware and the system software in the data centers that provides those services. Because the National Institute of Standards and Technologies that characteristics cloud computing as enabling on demand network, because accessing a large amount of data and the resources are very complicated. For example, networks, servers, storage, applications and services have been rapidly used, so it is very much minimal amount of data can be achieved. In the cloud computing, the concept of dynamic provisioning, which is applied not only to the service but also to compute capabilities, storage, networking and information technologies. Resources are made available through the internet and offer a pay per user, because whatever details we need, we are using an internet and we need to pay for that. Next one is a cloud computing allows initial infrastructure, runtime environment and services on a pay per user examples. A cloud should have, what are the cloud should have? Clouds must have a pay per user, elastic capability and the illustration of infinity resources, self-service infrastructures and resources that are abstracted to virtualization. Because applications of clouds, in the applications of cloud, what we are going to see is the cloud application is helping entrepreneur governance, publics and private institutions and research organization shape more effective and demanded computer system. Because if we are using in a larger enterprises, cloud based systems are recently used mainly in New York Times, which can have a digital library, so web friendly format can be used. Next one is a smaller enterprises and startups, because these smaller enterprises and startup need into a business result which has a more quick expensive upfront cost. Next one is system developers can construct a business logic rather than dealing with the complexity of infrastructure management and scalability. End users can have their document accessed from anywhere and any devices. The conceptual reference model. What is known as a conceptual reference model? Because this conceptual reference model is nothing but NIST cloud computing refers to architecture which identifies the major things. Because of that, we are now understanding what is that major things. In the cloud provider, we consist of service architectures, cloud consumers, cloud brokers and cloud carriers. Because the NIST cloud computing refers the architecture defined with 5 major actors. First one is cloud consumer, second one is cloud provider, third one is cloud carrier, fourth one is cloud auditor and the fifth one is cloud broker. These are the things that we are used in this. In it main, this cloud consumer, a person organizes that maintains a business relationship with user service from cloud providers. Cloud provider, person organizes an entire representation from making a service available to interested parties. Next is cloud auditor, a party that can conduct independent assessment of cloud services, because performance and security of the cloud has been implemented in this cloud auditor. Next one is a cloud broker. We deliver a cloud services, manage the user performances. Relationship between this cloud provider and the cloud consumer comes under this cloud broker. Next one is a cloud carrier, intermediary that provides the connectivity and transport of cloud services from cloud provider to the cloud constructor. These are the some ways that these cloud is being used, because this cloud services must have a cloud auditor. That cloud auditor consists of security audit, private impact audit and performance audit. These three audits and is called as a cloud auditor. Next one is a service architecture. In that layer we have three layers. infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. These are being provided with the resource abstraction and control layer. Next one is physical resource layer. Next one is hardware facilitator. In cloud service management, business supports provisional configuration, interoperability are being used. Security and privacy are overall being known as cloud provider. In the cloud broker, service intermediary, service aggregation, and service arbitratory are being used. These examples have been very useful for everyone. Thank you for watching this video.